Well, hello everybody. As you can see, the way I'm dressed, I'm bundled up pretty good. It is below freezing here in Weaverville, North Carolina. And we're at Lake Louise Park. And we're going to walk around this lake. And I got my wide angle lens on. We're going to see what we can see here. I think I've done a short on this area before, and it was during summertime. You know, it's getting increasingly difficult to find warmer places indoors around this area to do videos of during the winter time, because this is really an outdoor haven, if you will. So we're going to walk around here and we're going to check things out. And they do have a nice walking path here, which I'm going to get to here in a second. And we'll probably just walk around one time. I'll just set my watch, so I get credit for walking today. Let's go. There we go. It's cold. It's cold out here. I've got my wide angle lens on to give you a better view of things, hopefully. This roped off. Why didn't they have this roped off? Not sure what's going on. But we're going to find out. Not sure why the sidewalk would be closed, but oh, let's see. Got some work going on. Well, we're going to keep going. No, I don't have a telephoto on my lens, but you can see all those ducks down there. Maybe, hopefully you can see some of them. Shoot. I think I may be out of luck here. Looks like all this is... I may have to turn around. I'm not sure what they're doing down there. They got the whole thing kind of tore up. So we're going to have to go the other way. We're going to have to walk around the other side. That's unfortunate. That may make my walk a little bit shorter than what I thought. Sidewalk's closed down that way. To the other side. Oh my goodness, it is so windy out here. You can see the trees. It's probably wasn't the best idea I've ever come up with, but to turn back now. Well, I guess it's not too late, but I'm not turning back until I get to the other side, and then I'll turn back. There's some other brave souls out here. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, it's you know, this is really a beautiful place to live, especially when the weather's nice, but it's really hard to find things to film that are indoors, especially ones that I haven't already filmed indoors in the wintertime. There's lots of things to check out during the summer and spring and even the fall. Hey there. But when it's the middle of January and it's windy, cold, you probably can't see with the wide angle lens, but there is ice on the lake over here. It is cold, and it's hard to find things of interest to put on my channel. So if you know of something that's indoors that I don't have on my channel already, put it in the comments and let me know, and I'll go film it. Let's see. This is kind of a nice view. Lake Louise Park. This is really nice in the summertime. There's usually lots of people out here and people fishing off that little dock there. But not today. Nobody foolish like me. Another duck crossing sign. Ducks probably aren't on this side of the lake. For some reason it's a little frozen over. A little icy, I would say. people that live right here on the lake, that's probably pretty nice. Pretty nice to live right there by the lake. We're going to go around this curve here. I want to kind of show you two other things in particular. One's the Weaverville Community Center, which is a cool place to go. There's lots of classes, exercise classes, and other types of classes for people in the area. By and large, that's free. You know, it's always good to tip whoever the instructor or the lead person for whatever class or event you're going there. But by and large, it's free. Getting a little close to the water jet there, water feature. All that water has movement in it, so you can see that it's not frozen anywhere around there, but once you get out into the stillness of the lake, it's got a little bit of ice on the top of it. And the other thing I wanted to show you is this relatively new child play area that they built here. We're coming up to that pretty quick. One thing that's fun to do when you're watching these walking videos on YouTube is to get on your treadmill if you have one, or your stationary bike, and watch a fool like me walk around in the cold while you're working up a good sweat. Kind of makes the time go a little faster, I think. I do that myself sometimes. So a lot of my videos you can do that with. And again, my channel is called Asheville Explored. I do a lot of walks and tours through various things in the Asheville area, to include a lot of places outside of Western North Carolina. I've got a playlist that I started called, what the heck is it called? Off the Beaten Path, something like that. Where if I travel outside the Western North Carolina area, I'll put those videos in there. I've got some from Arizona recently I put in there that you might want to check out. Okay, let's see. So here's the little kids play area. I think it's pretty neat. Yeah, well, my wife has brought our grandkids here a few times. That's a cool shot there. The way the sun is on that umbrella. We walk around the other side real quick. It's very spongy. Hope the kids not get hurt, although there's a bit of a divot right there they probably need to fix. So that's pretty neat. And that's kind of new. And it's a lot bigger than what they had here before. Kind of educational too. Want to know about the solar system for the kiddos. Alright. And I'm going to come up here, show you something. Best way to get it. Well, that's the, I'm going to get a little closer. We're at a little over 15 minutes. But I'm going to get a little closer to that so you can see it. That's actually the Weaverville Community Center. So I'm going to walk up this grade here and see if I can get a better shot of that so you can see what it looks like. Then I'll wrap up this video and I'll head back to my car. Hopefully still a warm car. I might put a little music over top of this. Yeah, this'll do. So this is why I couldn't walk all the way around. I don't know what these guys are up to. Fixing something, I guess. I don't know. It is what it is. So. There's the Weaverville Community Center at Dottie Cheryl Knoll. I guess that's the full name of it. It's pretty nice inside there. Maybe I'll go inside and walk around one of these days and show you what it looks like in there. I'm gonna just walk up here, get another view of the lake from a little higher elevation. Let's see, well, let's do it. Yeah. Okay. I guess I'm going to call it quits there. Let you get back to your day. When the weather gets nicer, I encourage you to venture over here to Weaverville and check out Lake Louise Park. It's a nice little place to hang out. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again real soon. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Asheville Explorer. See you later.